Hi everybody, Blake with BlvdHome. Today we're going to talk about the pros and cons of washer and dryers that we put in a stack kit above each other versus a wash tower that's an all-in-one unit. So we're going to talk about the differences, the pros, the cons, regular washer and dryers with a stack kit. Now that just means a regular front load washer, regular front load dryer, and they have a kit that goes between them and you put the dryer on top of the washing machine. They're two separate pieces, meaning if one breaks, it's a little bit of a hassle because you have to have two people out there to be able to remove the dryer off the top of the washing machine because it's not designed to be serviced on top of the washing machine. Is it a hassle? For you, no. For your pocketbook, yeah, because you have to pay for an extra guy to help because it does take an extra person. Now they do have certain carts. People say, yeah, you can slide them onto a cart. But when you're in these tight laundry rooms, you need a second person to be able to unstack them, to move them somewhere, to be able to service the product. So that's the really only downfall that's really with these stack units. Now the positive side of it, it is full size. You have lots of capacity, lots of space. You have all the controls. You do have to be kind of, I don't know, if you're 5'2", you know, you may have a hard time getting to the controls of the dryer, but the units themselves, if you buy a good unit, and we've talked about what I like as far as front load machines before, but if you buy a good unit, you don't have to really worry about it. But it's the servicing side that's really the downfall of them. When you compare it to a wash tower, they're the hybrid between the two. So basically it is a front load washer and a front load dryer, but they've put them together and made one married unit. They have made them so they're somewhat serviceable in place, meaning you can service them in place, you don't have to separate them. Now there are a few things you do have to pull the dryer off to fix the washing machine with, but it also depends on the manufacturer because I've looked at the LG ones and I've also looked at the Electrolux ones, and I've done a review on the Electrolux ones, my first opinion of it. Now with that, with the Electrolux one, I can tell you that that's pretty much serviceable as it is in place. Everything I can take care of, one person. For the most part, I would say 80% of it can be serviced with one person. The LGs, I like LG, but their machine is not quite so friendly, I'll put it that way, to a servicer. You are going to get the same washability as you will with the full-size sets in the towers, but it is a smaller capacity. Which one's better? Well, it all depends on your application. Now, if I was talking for myself, because it's just me and my wife, my kids are off to being married and living their lives, and so it's just us. So if I got a wash tower, I would be okay with it because we don't do a whole ton of laundry. It's just me and my wife. We could get away with a wash tower. If I had a big family, well, I'd definitely go with a full-sized wash and dryer and probably put a stack kit on it strictly because you are going to get the capacity you need for a larger family. I hope this answers some of your questions about these two types of products, but now you know the differences and know kind of what you're getting into, so I hope it's helpful. And if you have any questions or any comments, please put it below and be happy to answer them for you. Well, we have lots of other videos for you to watch, so you know, please like and subscribe, and you can check out all these other videos and we'll find out lots of interesting stuff you may or may not want to know, but at least you'll have that information, and information is power. So thanks for watching.